Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 6 to 12, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin sa ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, so ito yung Virgo bracelet na nag-align sa energies ng mga Virgo. Meron itong turquoise, amazonite, at moss agate. So ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description kung gusto nyo mag-order. Okay, Virgo, what is up? Anong meron sa mga Virgo? Full Moon in Pisces, forgive. O, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong patatawarin. Meron kayong patatawarin person from the past, or this is you. You will forgive yourself from your past mistakes. Ang importante is natuto ka na dun. You have learned from your mistakes. Step out of your comfort zone. So, you are facing your North Node, yung destiny mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-explore ng mga bagong interest ninyo. At if you're interested in this, maaring you are being led to your destiny. Sabi nga be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Kasi pag masyado na tayong komportable sa isang sitwasyon, hindi na nag-grow. So, let's see what else pa. Believe in your good luck. Oh, there's good luck sa inyo, Virgo, especially if you are going to step out of your comfort zone. Yung iba kasi iniisip nyo na, nagkamali na ako, ayoko na, natatakot na ako na magsumubok uli kasi baka magkamali ulit ako. No, you have to forgive yourself kasi it's a learning process. Okay? Kailangan nating matuto. Kailangan natin magkamali para matuto. Ang ano lang doon is kung yung pagkakamali na yun, paulit-ulit na. So, ibig sabihin tayo natututo. Pero kung natuto ka na doon, then, you can try new things. Because good luck is in you, Virgo. Let's see what else for Virgo. Page of Wands. O, ayan. Ito na yung i-explore ninyo. Something that you are very interested. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magta-travel kayo mag-isa. Oo. Lalo na yung mga takot na mag-travel before. Parang meron kang mga susubukang bagay na you have never done before pero gusto mo talagang subukan. Oo, parang maaring dati meron kang limitations or restrictions for doing that. But now, not anymore. Yeah, you have the 8 of Cups. You are leaving a situation. Meron ka na iniiwan na sitwasyon na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong sa iyong pag-unlad. Oo. It's time for you to explore new things. So, I feel like, Virgo, you're really stepping out of your comfort zone this week. You have a lot of exploration na gagawin. 2 of Cups. This is maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong collaboration with someone or someone is going to help you with the things na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Yung iba naman, you might be signing a contract kasi 2 of Cups is it's like a commitment or agreement no? Yung iba naman, maaring we'll see. Pwedeng meron kang papasuking relationship. Judgment. I feel like it's not a new relationship ang mas nakukuha kong energy rito is leaving a relationship or a situation na alam mong hindi na sa'yo nakakatulong. So, there's a rebirth. There's like a new you. You are reinventing yourself. Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo may restriction kayo pagdating sa sa career ninyo or sa mga gusto nyo i-pursue sa buhay dahil sa partner ninyo. Like, for example, yung partner nyo, ayaw niya na mag-abroad ka, or ayaw niya na magtrabaho ka, or ayaw niyang gawin mo to, 'di ba? Oo. So, I think you want freedom. It's like you want to take back your power. See? You have the world. Sabi nga the world is your oyster. Tama ba? The world is your oyster. Or it seems like maraming opportunity na ibibigay sa iyo yung mundo. Kailangan mo lang i-explore. Kailangan mo lang umalis dyan sa comfort zone mo. Na matagal ka na nagsistay dyan. But alam mo sa sarili mo na wala ng growth. Yes. So it's time to leave that comfort zone and explore a whole new world. O, diba? A whole new world. That's where we'll be. It's like reinventing yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunities abroad. A lot of opportunities. You have the Seven of Swords. There is someone talaga na who wants to bring you down. Okay? Someone who doesn't want you na mag-move on. Parang gusto niya na magstay ka sa kanya. So, this can be a career, a business, or a relationship. They don't want you to succeed. So, that's why kailangan i-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Na maglakas ng loob. To step out of your comfort zone and explore. Oh my God. Diba? Meron talaga sumasabotahe sa inyo. Pwedeng romantic person nyo pa to eh. Or someone that is close to you. Parang, alam mo yung may pagka-selfish. Na ayaw kanyang palayain, ayaw kanyang mag-grow kasi natatakot siya na baka kapag mas lumawak na yung mundo mo, makalimutan mo na siya. Ang selfish, no? But you have a lot of options, Virgo. Maraming opportunities nasa harap mo. You just need to make a decision. 'Di ba? Ganun eh. Kaya may mga naghihiwalay talaga is because pwedeng yung kanilang partner, yun yung dahilan kaya sila nalilimitahan. Oo. Kaya hindi nag-grow. So, there are separation that leads to growth for both people sa relationship. So, sa career naman, sabi rito, you may be getting emotional at the moment. Yung ba sa inyo naapektuhan yung trabaho, yung career ninyo sa nangyayari sa relationship ninyo? But ang importante is, keep your eye on the prize. Ano ba yung target mo? Ano ba yung goal mo sa buhay? Focus on your goals. Kasi kung focus ka dyan, ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong ma-achieve if you are really focused on what you really want. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.